Hi, I'm Alex from i3 Technologies, and today I'm going to show you the i3SYNC Touch. This is a wireless presenting tool that keeps your meeting room clean and organized. If you struggle with cables, finding the right cable to connect to your laptop, adjusting resolutions, or choosing the right input, this is the solution. What do you need to get started? First of all, you need the receiver. So this one has to be mounted at the back side of the display. Then we have the transmitter. This one should be connected to your laptop to share your content. And then we have the charge station to charge the transmitter and to store them away. So once everything is set up, you just walk into the meeting room and you can use the i3SYNC Touch immediately. The visual on the display will explain you how to plug and play the product. So that means that you don't need to install or configure anything. You just take the transmitter out of the charge station. You have to switch it on. Connect it to the HDMI of your laptop. What I will do now, like this. Yes. Then connect the USB dongle into the USB port of your laptop, like this. And once you have a blue light, you just click on the button and the image of your laptop will be shown on a display. This also means that you can control your laptop from the display. Just click somewhere, or if you want to write something, just that easy. With the i3SYNC Touch, you can connect up to 3 transmitters to 1 receiver. And on the display, you will get the preview function of the connected devices. As a presenter, you can choose which device is shown on the display. So for example, the orange one, and here it goes. With this button, the presenter can always go back to the home screen and switch to another device. So for example, here, I choose for the blue one. With the i3SYNC Touch, you can use also PowerPoint, of course. Once you go into the slideshow mode, click again, your laptop will go automatically into extended desktop function. So that means on the display you get the presentation and the presenter will see the presentation mode. So you can see the next slide and all the notes. During a presentation on the display, I can also take notes, of course. Pen, like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on. And at the end of your presentation, of course, your notes can be saved. You can choose saved or don't. Besides of PowerPoint, you can also show or share videos on the display, like this. And as you can see, there's almost no latency. Why i3SYNC Touch? Because it's a wireless presenting tool, so no hassle with cables. It's plug and play, so you just take the transmitter, connect it to your laptop, and you're set. No installation of drivers or configuration. It features also wireless touch, so you can manage your laptop from the display, draw, annotate, basically whatever you want.